Hi, my name is Mia T. Rex, and I bought this product. This board here, it's really awesome. It has soft cushion underneath, but it's not super huge and chunky like a lot of them. I like that because it feels like it's really on my lap, but it's still soft. It has more than enough space for everything. I use it for my iPad, I use it for my writing, and there's still plenty of room. I can put my drinks on it if I want. It has a really good surface that's washable, and it's not going to get ruined easy. I'm really happy with the product, and it had different colors, so I could choose the color that goes with the theme of my house and a color that makes me happy. So I definitely recommend this product. It's super awesome. And I guess that's all that I have to review about it. What can I say? 5 stars. Awesome.